Hello, welcome back to the Out-of-Box Cloud tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to attach block storage to your virtual machine on Out-of-Box Cloud. Once you log into your Out-of-Box Cloud account, you will land on the dashboard. Before proceeding, make sure you have sufficient infra credits to add block storage. In this case, I have an VM with name Storage Test, which has a root disk of 100 gigabytes. To this VM, we will add additional block storage. From the menu, go to the Volumes option and click on Create Volume. Select the project and region to list the virtual machines. Choose the virtual machine to which you plan to add a disk. In this example, I will select the VM named Storage Test. Choose the type of storage. Choose the disk size from the list. For instance, I will choose 200 GB disk. Provide the valid name to volume. Choose a billing cycle based on your requirements. The price for the selected disk will appear in the price summary below. Please note, the created volume will automatically attach to the VM, but you'll need to manually format and mount it. We will explain this process shortly. Now click on the Review and Create option. Review the details and click on Create Volume option. Wait a few minutes for the process to complete. Once done, you will receive a success notification as Block Storage Attached Successfully. Now let's format and mount the volumes. You can access the VM via the console or an SSH client application. In this tutorial, as my VM has public access enabled, I will access the VM with an SSH client. For your reference, the required commands to format and mount the volume are mentioned in the video description. Let's first list all the available partitions and their details with the command lsblk. In my case, the added block device is showing as VDB. Format the entire disk directly by using the command shown. Now create a mount point, make a directory where the disk will be mounted. Now mount the disk to the mount point with the command as shown. Verify the mount with command as shown. By this, the formatting and mounting the disk completed. We should make sure this mount is persistent, that is, the mount is not lost after the VM reboot. To do this, we need to add mount point entries in FS tab. Add the following line using the device name as shown. Save and exit the file. Test the FS tab entry to ensure there is no error and run the command as shown on the screen. If there are no errors, then the mount is successful. Finally, verify the mount with command as shown. We can see our disk is showing as mounted. Now reboot the system to ensure the disk mounts automatically. After the reboot, confirm the mounted disk. Congratulations! You have successfully attached a block storage for your VM. Whether you need more storage for data or applications, this feature ensures flexibility and scalability. Stay tuned for the next video in our series, where we will explore more exciting features of out-of-box cloud. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.